Have you considered who will inherit your assets when you're gone? Regardless of your financial situation, you'll want to create a will to determine how your finances and belongings will be distributed after you pass. Create a well-structured will with these 4 components. First, choose up to 4 executors. They execute the will, manage your final wishes, and pay taxes. Second, list your beneficiaries. These are people or institutions who will inherit your assets. Third, decide which assets go to which beneficiary. Finally, appoint a guardian. If you have minor children, you'll want to ensure they're cared for by someone you trust. A will can help protect your legacy and provide peace of mind to you and your loved ones. To learn more about life insurance, visit mutualofomaha.com.